As per usual, I started working on fixing something on the vehicle, my new car, the Morris, and I forgot to start the video. So what I've done, this was broken here, so I put a weld in there, and the welds, I use TIG. The weld is be strong, but as per any weld, the material right beside the weld weakens up because it crystallizes. So now I'm going to have to heat and peen it a little bit. Had some problem getting it off because I don't know if this is a stock thing or not, but they used a slotted screw and a nut, and one of them was rusted solid, so I had to get in there with a cutting disc and cut it off. Anyway, I'm going to get on with the heating and peening a bit. I do want to fill that area a little bit more. I don't want any divots that'll cause a weakness in this thing because it's already cracked once. So I will be back. I don't know how this is going to appear to the camera, but we'll give her a go. Well, that should do it. I've got to let it cool down and then I'll fit it in place. Be back in a bit. Okay, we're back at the hood. I just want to test fit this. This is pretty flimsy. It's going to have to be beefed up. I'm not. This rod in here is touching where this rod is not. So, I mean, eventually the hood's going to be coming off completely so I can do the repaint. But in the hole, small hole here, I don't know if I can see that or not. Yeah, there's a small hole here that's for the spring. It has to go towards that side because it hooks in way down here. I don't know how to get this. Hooks into a thing down here. Now I'm going to balance this thing off, hood off my head while I put the other bolt in. to locate the spring. And here we have the spring, one end down, one end up. Oh, I've got it in backwards. Idiot. There's the spring load. And that causes it so we can pull that way to close. Yep, that'll work. But that does have to be beefed up. See if I can get a better shot of what's going on under there. Yeah. Rod has definitely been banged a bit. So I'm gonna have to straighten it because this is really, really weak. And there's going to be some seriously rusty bolts. I'm soaking them in penetrating oil right now, but I don't know whether they're going to salvage or not. We shall find out. Anyway, hope that was helpful. Catch you later.